It is an honor to deliver this year's Shiksha Arambh Vyakhyan. For the all incoming students, you are now the torchbearers of one of the finest institute of its type in the world. You are now a part of our unique institutions where each of you must live up to the great vision of Dr. Verghese Kurian. You must believe in it. More than ever before, we must now develop a model of a rural economy wherein local populations can be employed locally. Earlier this year, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi spoke about his vision of Atmanirbhar agriculture. He outlined his vision of an India that would be self-reliant in every aspect of agriculture. Recent advances in areas like digitization, seed quality, weather forecasting, combined with a smart policy making and general public awareness, have opened up the agriculture sector in several ways. Agriculture, like all other fields, is benefiting through digitization. Advances in sensor technologies, satellite imaging, the Internet of Things, cellular networks, and machine learning algorithms have already made it possible to manage farms remotely, analyze individual plant health, and identify nutrient need to make optimal decisions. Agriculture is increasingly micro-sized and moving indoors. While the type of agri-crops that can be grown indoors may have some limitation today, there cannot be any doubt about this exciting trend. Dear students, entrepreneurship is a journey. I started this trip when I was just 16 years of age. I learned that while the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line, it is rare that any entrepreneurship journey is able to follow this straight line. Fear of failure or deviating from the well-paved path will be your biggest limitations. Be passionate about learning. Keep time for reflections. Let your purpose captivate you. You have an exciting opportunity. I wish you every success. You are rural India's biggest hope. Thank you. Jai Hind.